Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS Nord CE 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here we have to slide a little bit to general category. Now we can find shot on ONEPLUS watermark, so let's tap on it, and here we are. We have 3 options here. Now let me focus on the first one, watermark from Oppo. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. And as you can see, when it's turned on, we get access also to short preview. So this is how it looks like, shot on OnePlus, powered by triple camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.